Stay, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Another one, hold on real quick. I had a quick tip. So, if you see, I got this in the mail today. When I bought this Impala, it came with a key like this, right? Which is a copy key of the chip key. And it has a little slot right there. The chip goes in there. And what they do is, when you get the original one from GM, right? See the GM sign. When you have this one, it has a chip in the middle of that GM in the inside. And that chip is what registers. And what happens is they take the key, all right, and they we're getting hot, so I'm gonna put the AC on. They take that's your key. They take your key and they register to the vehicle, and then that chip is registered to your vehicle. So, quick tip is that you could buy these on eBay, right, from a bunch of different people. They could be as low as $8, or you could get them at $15 each. Pretty sure no more than 20. What happens is the key is blank. You get a blank key, right? Chip is not registered to this car. I am taking my old key to the hardware store. They're gonna cut the key for probably $5 for me to match the fitting inside the wheel, and then you could YouTube how to program this key to your car. It's real simple as long as you have the original key. So what happens is that, not the original key, but one key that's already registered. What happened was, I hate these keys. I got it. I already know that it's very flimsy and it possibly could break. So what I would do is just keep this key as a spare for whenever I have an issue in the future. But then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and cut this key right now. I'm gonna program it to the vehicle, and this is gonna be my main key for the car. So then at that point, nobody will ever even know that the car never had an original key from GM, which is pretty cool. But you can do it yourself. So, and it's a GM part. And remember, this is on the front face camera. But cool thing is it is made in USA, which is always good. I mean, at least they work in Milwaukee. Okay, cool. So I'm happy with that. I'm always happy when I buy something from my fellow Americans. Every time we get these Chinese parts, we're just not killing our economy, but we're not growing our economy. So if we're buying other people's parts or making our parts, but that's another topic. Yeah, but get your keys cut and get them on eBay as fast as possible before you have an issue with your key, or your key breaks or something like that. You have to get a key cut, or you lock yourself in the car. You might as well be safe than sorry, and spend $20 and a little bit of time on a new key instead of spending $150 or for a locksmith, for $150 for a key at the dealer. All right, so I'll check y'all later. We gotta get this video as fast as I can before the shit breaks, but I don't know if you see that slit, right, guys? I can focus it on that. And I'm gonna pull it back. Once. Now I don't want to focus. Anyways, JMA, they make these, damn, I don't know why it's like that. Let me stop this. Perfect, all right, there you go. And JMA, they make these keys, these chip keys, right, the responder keys. I don't know if you see the slit right there, the slit. But basically, this key bent, see, it bent, and then I had to bend it back. I made a copy, but this is not a responder key. So basically my hardware store didn't have it. They tried to charge me like $60 to order our new responder. So what I did was I said, hey, just give me the copy first, I need the key. And then I'll buy the JMA responder on eBay. So I'm gonna show you that. All right, so nice little package from eBay, right?
wait.
I'm recording. No, Grandma, it's all right. So I do YouTube. You know what YouTube is?
Yeah.
All right. Because you watch it all the time.
Huh?
You watch it all the time. So anyways, I do videos.
Yeah.
And this is how you do them. So anyways, I'm showing them about the key. Look, hey. Oh, it's JMA. That's what I said. Anyways, General Motors key. All right, no cut. And what I do is take this one and get it cut with this one.
Mm-hmm.
There's a chip section in the back of it you take out.
Yeah.
You pull the chip out in the old one, put the chip in this one, and I should be able to slide this key directly into the Impala and turn it right on.
This one.
This key right here, yeah.
The white car.
Yep, the white car. So the only thing about these is that they're cheap.
Yeah, how much?
$15. But cheap meaning like the key is just a cheap key. Like the last one broke and bent.
And you better not brand that, right?
Well, I just bought this one just for now to make sure the car turns on. If I got what I could do with this after that,
You can make another
I can make the original key, the real good one. So what I do is I order it afterwards.
and with Joss.
Jada, you gonna meet us over there?
Yeah.
In the other place where I went to last time.
Or in the car.
Yeah, decal, exactly. So let me not bend this shit. All right.
Hijo, what's this car?
Grandma, this is the work car. What's wrong with you?
It's dirty. It's not clean.
It's the work car.
You breaking it all over.
It was already like that. Grandma. Don't start. Don't start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.